Now I would like to call our head boy to explain this module. So I would like to invite Jane Iqbal, our head boy of our school. Jane, it's all of you.
Good afternoon to Honorable Chief Guest, respected Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and all the dignitaries and parents present here. I am Zain Iqbal of Class 8, the head boy of the school as well. Today I am standing before you all as a head of the art and craft team. Let me give you some information about lander. So we have created the lander model as you have seen the rover and lander as well. Landers are spacecraft engineered for controlled descent and landing on celestial bodies. Their design incorporates aerodynamic shapes, descent mechanism, parachutes or retro rockets, robust structures and landing legs for stability. Autonomous navigation system guide the descent while power sources, solar panels or we may call it batteries, sustain operations. Payload integrations involves securing scientific instruments and communication systems enable data transmission to the earth. Thermal control and mechanism protect against the extreme temperatures, safely measures such as redundancy and abort systems. Furthermore, enhance missions reliability, testing in simulated environments to ensure the design and its functionality, making lander essentially for specific scientific and beyond its earth. So let me tell you some parts and important parts of lander. So first we have Langmuir probe to measure the near surface of ions and electrons and design and identify the changes with time. The second part, which is the most important that we have, is Chandra's surface thermophysical experiment to carry out the measurements of thermal properties of lunar, as we have already seen, surface near the polar region. The third one would be instrument for lunar seismic activity to measure seismically around the landing site and for detailing the structure of the lunar and crust. The fourth one would be alpha particle X-ray spectrometer to derive the chemical composition and infer mechanism and composition further to enhance the understanding of lunar. At last, laser introduced breakdown or spectroscope to determine the electric changes composition. Last but not the least, I would like to invite the honorable guest, Principal Ma'am, Chairman Sir, and I would like to thank them from the bottom of my heart for making this possible. Without their help and contribution, it was not possible. So I would like to thank them. And I would like to give credit to my art and craft team as well, because of them we were able to make this model. The first is Harshit Kumar of class 6, the second is Rajneesh Verma of class 6, the third is Aditya Raj of class 6, the fourth is Yugraj of class 6, the 5 is Amar Anand. Now the stage is all yours, Aditya. Aditya Ranjan Pandey will be explaining about the rover model.